Hello there, friends. Welcome again to Nanaaba's Kitchen. And if you are visiting for the first time, a very warm welcome to you and thank you so much for joining us today. On the menu is our fried tilapia recipe. And as you can see, it is a complete feast. So let's begin. So you need about 8 pounds of tilapia for this recipe, and the fishmonger has done most of the cleaning for me. So when I got home, I just removed the mouth and also any extra scales left over and washed them thoroughly and cut them up into my preferred size. Now let's create a dry wrap to bring those big flavors and a crispy outer layer. We begin with 3 tablespoons of rice. Not a very traditional ingredient, but trust me friends, it works. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder and pepper flakes as well for a little kick. I have my dried smoked shrimp replacing the bouillon, and then also I have a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated onions, and then I have salt. The amount is per your own preference, and I also have powdered thyme. Then I have aniseed, which is a 1/4 teaspoon as well. Then I have 1/2 teaspoon of white peppercorns and black peppercorn, same amount. My secret ingredient is this dry flakes of coconut, which is going to bring us a really huge, beautiful flavor. So put them all into your blender and blend till you have a dry wrap consistency, powdery. Now friends, the rice used in this wrap is uncooked rice, just in case it wasn't captured properly in the video. So you're going to pour the mixture onto your fish and toss your fish up and down until every part of the fish is coated with a rub. You might need to go in and take some of the loose rub and insert it into any crevice that has not been coated with this beautiful rub. And then you're going to let it sit for 1 hour and 30 minutes to sort of marinate in the rub before you fry. Now to deep fry the fish, we're going to heat up our oil first. I put into the oil a wedge of fresh onion as well as a sprig of fresh rosemary to perfume the oil and also to ensure that the oil is hot enough, because when you see that sizzling and bubbling, you know it's ready to receive your fish. So layer your fish in gently, with emphasis on the word gently, because you don't want the hot oil to splatter on you. And you're going to deep fry for 8 minutes until the fish is nice and golden brown on the outside and crispy and also moist on the inside, just like that. So our fish is, the first batch is done cooking. Let's take a look at how interesting the texture is on the outside. You know by just looking at the fish that it's going to be moist also on the inside. Just look at how beautiful this is. So I learned not to ever be afraid to try new things. Just in this recipe, using the rice was a non-traditional move, but it worked. So I cannot wait for y'all to try this, because look, just look at this. Perfection. I was very happy with the outcome. And I know when you try it, you'll also be very pleased. I served it with our kinky, our Ghanaian kinky. I had 2 different sauces, the red and the green, and then I also, that's those chili sauces, that is. And then I also had some black pepper on the side, and my medley of onions and tomatoes as well as bell peppers. And just take a look at how moist it is on the inside. Never be afraid to abandon the status quo. Get creative, try new things. Don't be afraid to fail either. I thank you all so much for watching, for your support, your love, your kindness. Try the recipe and come back please with your feedback. I cannot wait to hear from you. So I thank you for watching, and make it a great day. And as always, have fun, especially in that kitchen.